We can use the z-score to determine the normal distribution probabilities. The first step of that is to determine what the z-score is. So if you recall from chapter 1 or section 1, we had the 5 observations of men height trying to determine information about men's heights in Canada. Now we determined the average and the distance from average. That helped us determine our standard deviation of 12.55. The z-score comes from our observation less the average divided by our standard deviation. So in this case, our observation less our average is right here. And we can determine, and our standard deviation is here, we can determine our z-score for each of these observations. 160 equals negative 18 over 12.55, which equals negative 1.43. $170 equals negative 8 over 12.55, which has a z-score of negative 0.64. 185 is 7 over 12.55 for a z-score of 0.56. And 190, 12 over 12.55, 12 down here, for a z-score of 0.96. In question 3.22, we can determine what the z-score is, how it can determine our probability using the z-score.